Anya placed her mini pot on the stove. She poured a little water, a pinch of salt, and 1 drop of oil. When it boiled, she added the rice. In another tiny pan, she heated butter and oil. She added onions. Shh. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
Smells like celebration.
Biryani was ready. Golden rice, juicy masala, perfect aroma. Everyone clapped.
Can we have dessert too?
Let's build a mini Falooda. Look at these tiny treasures for our dessert. Soaked basil seeds, strawberry pieces, and more.
I'll help! Me too!
Let's get them clean. Hey everyone, let's watch TV.
Yeah, like the video! Subscribe too!
Don't make lumps, please. Now it smells sweet like dreams. Rest now, little custard. Custard syrup, ice cream, and jelly.
A rainbow! Perfect!
This is so good. You all seem to be enjoying it too. Today we're having mini Falooda custard. It's a quick recipe. You just need milk, custard powder, sugar, fruits, basil seeds, ice cream, and rose syrup. When we share sweetness, life becomes sweeter.